The last one is a banana.
Nadia Amani toys.
Hi Amani. Have you got a surprise today?
Yeah.
Would you like to open it?
Yeah.
After 3, yeah? 3, 2, 1, open! Wow, what is it? Wow, check it out. It's an electronic cash register. Ooh, whoa. Whoa, what is it? Is it the belt for the food? What's this? Press it. Look. Let's open your second surprise. Open it. Pretend food. Check it out. Let's go shopping. Check that out. Whoa. What's that? Whoa, is that your credit card?
Yeah.
Do that again, Amani. Press that. Let's see what happens. Do that again. Woohoo! Press this, look. Press that. What happens? What happens when you press this? Press that like this. Yeah, and now press this. Whoa! Put your monies in there. And I've got some cash notes for you. £5. How much is that? £10.
£10.
How much is that?
£20.
How much is that?
£5.
Well done. Now I'd like to go shopping, Amani. Can I buy some fruits and vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, what's in this? Whoa, check it out, look. Milk. Tomato ketchup. Chocolate. Vegetable soup. Whoa, lots of fruits and veg, Amani, look. Let's see. Whoa! Lemon, egg, carrot, banana.
All of this food.
Lots of food, guys. I'm going to buy all these. Can I buy these from you, Amani?
Yeah.
Can I do some grocery shopping, please? Okay.
You have to get
Can I buy a tomato?
Yeah.
Sweet corn?
Yeah.
Banana?
Yeah.
Can I buy orange?
Yeah.
Cornflakes?
Yeah.
An egg?
Yeah.
What else can I buy?
Sweet corn.
So I've already got a sweet corn. Let me buy. Can I buy some orange juice?
Yeah.
And vegetable soup.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now can I buy these, please?
Yeah.
Okay, shopkeeper, I'm going to buy these. There's the basket. Put it in the basket for me, please. The last one is a banana. Thank you. How much is that, shopkeeper? How much do I owe you? Is it £10 or £20?
£20.
Okay, there's a £10 and a £10. That makes £20.
Right.
Thank you. And can you also, I'll pay some of that on the credit card as well.
Yeah. Let me this. That euro makes 20. 20.
Press this. And put the money in there. Thank you. Can I have my shopping basket?
Yeah.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
You have to get some more food. Bye.
Lots of yummy food.